equation in two variables about 10th class. What is linear equation? A linear equation which have a two variables x and y. What is the system of equation? System of equation means a pair of linear equation in two variable is said to be form a system of linear equation. For example, 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0, or x plus 7y plus 1 equal to 0. These two equation is called as pair. Pair means two, which have a two variables x and y and two equations. So, here variables are x and y. So, general form of linear equation in two variables x and y is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is a general form of linear equation, where a is not equal to 0, b is also not equal to 0, and a, b, c are real numbers. So, this is the main about the linear equation. Next, we move to the some examples. So, see here given it is there x minus 2y equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y equal to minus 20. Here a1 by a2 is 1 by 3, b1 by b2 is minus 2 by 4, c1 by c2 is 0 by minus 20. Here a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, because a1 by a2 is 1 by 3, b1 by b2 is minus 2 by 4. So, if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then it is a graphical representation is intersecting lines. If a1 by a2 is not equal to 0, then it is called intersecting lines. It has a unique solution. See some example. X plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. a1 by a2 is 1 by 2, b1 by b2 is 2 by 4, c1 by c2 is minus 4 by 12. Here see all a1 by a2 is also 1 by 2, b1 by b2 is 2 by 4, means divide it 1 by 2, but c1 by c2 divide it minus 4 by 12, that is 1 by 3. See here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but not equal to c1 by c2. If a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 are equal, then it is a parallel lines. It has no solutions. They will not intersect, therefore no solutions. See here third equation, 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0, 4x plus 6y minus 18 equal to 0. a1 by a2 is 2 by 4, b1 by b2 is 3 by 6, c1 by c2 is minus 9 by 18. Means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, because 2 by 4 is 1 by 2, 3 by 6, 1 by 2, 9 by 18, 1 by 2. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it is called coincident lines. All this a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are equal, proportional, then it is called as coincident lines. Means if it is coincident, it is a infinitely solutions. So, these three are the graphical representation of the lines. Next, we move to the graphical representation of the lines. The first one is intersecting line, parallel line, coincident line. What is intersecting line? Intersecting line means, let us consider some example of linear equation. 2x minus y equal to minus 1, 3x plus 2y equal to 9. Here we assign any values to one of the two variables and then determine the value of the other variable from the given equation. Here two examples are there. If it see here they are given 2x minus y equal to minus 1, y equal to 2x plus 1. If you put the x values, then what will left? X equal to 0, y equal to 1, x equal to 2, y equal to 5. Means in the put in the y equal to 2x plus 1 value, x equal to 0, then 2 into 0 0, y equal to 1. If x equal to 2, 2 2s are 4 plus 5. Same type, y equal to 3 minus 9 minus 3x divided by 2, put it x equal to 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 minus 9 0, y equal to 0. Then put x equal to minus 1, 3 into minus 1 is plus 3, 9 plus 3 is 12, 2 divided by 12 is how much? 6, y equal to 6. then plot the graph. See here graph. Here x equal to what? X equal to 1, y equal to 3. Using these two equations, if you plot the graph, it has a evolution x equal to 1, y equal to 3. See here x equal to 1, y equal to 3. It has a unique solution. Here x value is 1, here y value is 3. So, it has a unique solutions. All of you understand it. Next we go to the parallel line. What is parallel line? Parallel line means, let us consider some following examples. X plus 2y equal to 4, 2x plus 4y equal to 12. Here we assign the some values of two variables x and y. What it is? See the equation. X plus 2y equal to see here. X plus 2y equal to 4, y equal to 4 minus x divided by 2. If x equal to 0, y equal to 2, means if you put the x equal to 0, y 4 by 2 is 2. If x equal to 4, y equal to 4 minus 4, 0, 2 by 0, 0. Same type, take the another equation, x minus 12y, x equal to 12 minus 4y divided by 2, x equal to 0, 4 into 0 is 0, then y equal to how much it is? 3. If y equal to 0, 4 into 0 is 0, 12 by 2 is x equal to 6. Using these two equations, we have to solve the form the next graph. See here, here two lines are passing through the in different way, which have a parallel lines. Therefore, it is a no solution. No solution. Next, we move to the coincident lines. What is coincident lines? Let us consider some example. 2x plus 3y equal to 9, 4x plus 6y equal to 18. Here we also assigned two equations. Y equal to 9 minus 2x divided by 3. Put the y value. So, what we will get? If x equal to 0, 2 into 0 is 0, 9 by 3 is y equal to how much? 3. If x equal to, we have to take 4.5. 2 into 4.5 is how much? 9. 9 minus 9, 0. 0 by 3 is 0. Two equation we get. Same type. In the equation 4x plus 6y equal to 18, y equal to 18 minus 4x divided by 6. So, put the x value, x equal to 0, 4 into 0 is 0. So, 6 by 18 means 6 3 is 18, y equal to 3. Same type, put the values of x equal to 3, 4 3 is how much? 12. 18 minus 12 is how much? 6. 6 by 6 is y equal to 1. Then we plot the graph. See here, here x equal to 0, then y equal to 3. If x equal to 3, y equal to 1. If x equal to 0, sorry, y equal to 0, x equal to 4.5. This has a infinitely many solutions. If it is coincident line means they have to overlap each other, Therefore, it has a infinitely many solution we will get x and y. So, these are the some examples about the three graphical representation of the lines. One is parallel line, coincident line, and there are three types. So, we have to solve using these three types, we have to solve many problems. So, this is the main basics about the linear pair of equations about the 10th standard. I think all of you understand it. If any doubts or any difficulties in the learning of these three equations, you have to ask me or send your queries or send your any problems to me. Okay? If anything you have doubt on this lessons, please send to me. Okay? Thank you once again.